up, guys? Welcome back. Got my first load of the week. This load picks up in Albany, Georgia, and is going to DeSoto, Texas. That's like kind of like Dallas area. Looks like you want me to back into this this little garage area right there. So we got to maneuver how we're going to do that. Probably going to drive into this gravel. I like, this is hard gravel. That little piece right there is soft, but we'll drive in there and see what we can do. Oh, you keep coming. Okay guys, I just got loaded. Easy little load, just got one crate in this stand here. I think I'm just gonna 2-chain this stand and throw a strap over this crate. This crate's gotta be tarped, so I'm just gonna lay my little tarp over it right there, and then we'll be on our way. I put it here, and like it didn't want to go. Okay guys, we got this all secured. We're gonna head out. Today is Wednesday. This drops off Friday in DeSoto, Texas. So we'll make our way there and get it done. Hopefully the roads are clear. I gotta go through Shreveport, and that was a disaster from that Texas freeze. So hopefully that's all cleared up by the time I get there. Okay guys, I'm here. It's Monday morning and the fun never stops. I got a coolant leak. I noticed that my coolant level was real low, and then I seen that it looks like it's leaking from that this thing right here. Now I know that there's an O-ring there and there's a gasket right there. Doesn't look like it's leaking from the hose, but it could be. But that's the amount of coolant that is leaking overnight, and I don't know how much it leaks while driving. So man, I gotta try to take, it's only 2 bolts. It's this bolt, which looks fairly reasonable, and then there's that bolt, which looks like it's gonna be a monster. Take off, and then yeah, see, that's not a bolt. And then hopefully when I take it off, I can go see if it's a gasket or if I need that whole part. I don't know. But either way, I got to get it fixed today because I need to make some money. Okay guys, I'm here at the truck. I'm getting ready to change that part that was leaking coolant. It's that part right here, that little T connection right there. It's leaking coolant and it's causing the truck to run hot on idle, hotter than normal anyway. I got the new part right here, and it comes with the gaskets. It should only be 2 bolts. The hard part about it is trying to get them 2 bolts out. Hopefully it comes out with ease. But I got my little container here. I got to drain the coolant. Got my little container there that I had to cut to fit under there. But that should hold all the coolant. These trucks have about anywhere from 10 to 13 gallons of coolant in here. This is over 100 quart, so that's about 26 gallons. I was just waiting on it to cool off a little bit. I got my inspection done. I passed inspection. I need a load. I haven't had a load in a week, waiting on this part, and wish me luck. I'm gonna drain the coolant and then I'm gonna attempt to get that piece off. We'll see how that goes. Okay guys, I got that new part on there. Now I gotta find a creative solution to refill this coolant, and I'm thinking it'll just be simply dipping and filling and make sure no debris get in here. This is the next day. I had to wait on a part, one little simple part that I was missing. So I guess we're just gonna use this bucket, scoop it, and fill it up that way. No leaks.